1784, a boy begins to rise. Apprentice young in kitchens, fire in his eyes. Pastry towers spun from sugar, sculpted high. Architect of flavor, monuments that never die. From crowded streets to royal halls, his sugar palaces outshone them all. King of chefs, the chef of king, tables crowned with edible things. Carême, his craft defined, the future of cuisine refined. For Talleyrand, he staged a feast of state at the Congress of Vienna, set the plates of fate. Napoleon's court tasted dishes bold, stories of diplomacy through courses told. From crowded streets to royal halls, his sugar palaces outshone them all. King of chefs, the chef of king, tables crowned with edible things. Carême, his craft defined, the future of cuisine refined. He codified the sauces, 5 foundations strong. Béchamel and Espagnole, where flavors belong. Velouté and Allemande, and Tomate too. Standards every modern kitchen still pursues. From crowded streets to royal halls, his sugar palaces outshone them all. King of chefs, the chef of king, tables crowned with edible things. Carême, his craft defined, the future of cuisine refined.
Born in Paris in 1784, by 15, apprentice to a pastry chef. Created pièces, montées, sugar sculptures admired across the city. Wrote encyclopedic works such as L'Art de la Cuisine Française. Cooked for Napoleon, for Talleyrand, and for Tsar Alexander I. Served at the Congress of Vienna in 1814 and 15. Later worked in London for the Prince Regent, the future George IV. Blended culinary skill with architectural vision. Defined haute cuisine as an art of precision and elegance. Systematized the 5 mother sauces still taught worldwide. His influence shaped chefs of the 19th century, remembered as the king of chefs and the chef of kings.
In London halls, his banquets fed a crown. Across all Europe, his fame was renowned. Scholar of cuisine, not just a flame. Books carried forward the Carême name. From crowded streets to royal halls, his sugar palaces outshone them all. King of chefs, the chef of king, tables crowned with edible things. Carême, his craft defined, the future of cuisine refined. From pastry spires to royal halls, his legacy forever calls. Yeah.